Wow.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Madison County, northwestern Pickaway County, southwestern Franklin County, Ohio, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:40 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near London, moving east at 35 miles
241.
Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, penny-sized hail, very heavy rain which may cause minor flooding. Locations impacted include Columbus, Grove City, London, Jefferson, West Jefferson, Asheville, Mount Sterling, South Bloomfield, Lake Darby, Commercial Point, Urban Crest, Valley View, Lafayette, Midway, Harrisburg, Orient, Darbyville, New Road, Big Plain, and Newport in Adams County. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now for the
Wow. So if I was speaking of my or not.